Hey everyone, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com, and today I thought we'd make this fun lacing project with a spider and a ghost. You can find this craft at Kidfunideas in the Autumn Crafts section under Halloween Crafts, and it comes with all the directions and a picture of the witch's house that you can paste in the center of your spider web. So for this craft, what you'll need is an 8-inch paper plate like this, a hole punch to punch holes around that outside edge, some black construction paper, some lacing string, some googly eyeballs, and a cone-shaped coffee filter, some glue, and some glue stick. So round up your stuff and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do today is make our little spider and our little ghost that goes with it. To do this, we're going to take a cone-shaped coffee filter, and it has an edge around the top of it that's pressed. So we're going to open it up and turn it inside out, just like this. And this will make it more three-dimensional. It'll pop open. And just use your hand to kind of put your guy like that. So now it's more three-dimensional. Then we're going to apply some little googly eyeballs to this, and that's why we're doing this first, so it has a chance to dry. My glue just kind of won't come out of the thing, so I'm going to use a little toothpick to get the glue out here. And we're going to glue on a couple eyeballs on here. I'm going to press that on. And then you can draw whatever kind of face you like on your guy. I'm going to make mine a happy ghost. So I'm going to draw a great big smile and a little nose. Now I'm going to set him aside so he can dry. Next I'm going to work on my spider. Now the craft comes with a couple of templates where you can just cut these out and use them like that, and you punch holes where these little dots are indicated, and you can have like a vampire mouth or draw in your own mouth. But you can also use a piece of black construction paper and then punch two holes in here on either side and make your own spider. And that's what I'm going to do today. Another glob of glue here. Put the eyeballs on. And that way, while we work on our spider web, this can dry. We're just going to put his eyeballs on. And for the legs, I'm going to use half of a pipe cleaner. So I'm going to fold my pipe cleaner in half, and I'm using green today. You can use whichever color you like. Black would look nice, orange. I'm going to cut that in half, and then I'm going to take the other end of that, cut that in half so he can have small little legs. All right, just like that. And those are going to go through these little holes here. It's going to go one through there. This is really good for fine motor skills. So we're just going to pull it out and bend it like that. So now he has one leg on one side. And then we're going to put two more legs on this side. And I know all you spider experts, yes, spiders have 8 legs, but these spiders are only going to have 4. Because that's what fits on the thing. And for a mouth on this one, I'm going to use a white pencil. It shows up pretty good. I'm going to make him happy also because he's happy to be here. Okay, so now I have my little spider and my little ghost with their eyeballs, and they're just going to hang out and dry off. Their eyeballs are going to dry off while we do the rest of the craft. Okay, next we're going to take our white paper plate and we're going to punch 12 holes along the edge of the paper plate here. And in the center of that, we're going to cut out the witch's house, and we're going to paste it with this glue stick right in the center. And since it's a white plate, you don't have to be super exact about cutting this out. We're just going to cut away some of this extra paper. I'm going to glue it right in the center. Gluing it right down. All right. There we go. Now our house is all pasted down. Okay, now we've got our little house in the center. It looks really cute. The next thing we're going to do is take our lacing string, and the lacing string is just the kind that you get when you're making those little bracelets at camp. I don't know if you guys have ever done that. It's plastic, and the reason I use this is because it tangles a little less quickly, and it's very easy to hold and get through the little holes. So you're going to need about 2 yards of this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the bottom over here, and I'm going to tie it off. And I'm going to tie it off leaving about, let's say, about 1 inch or 2 on one side here. And that's where our little ghost is going to hang off to the side. We're going to tape him to the back. Okay? So now we're going to take the other end of our string, and there's no right way to do this, guys, except you're going to want to make sure that you get your string coming out the top. So let's crisscross across this and see if we go in. We're going to go in one side. We're going to pull it out like that and pull it up over the top of the plate, okay? And we're just going to go side to side, and we're going to save this last hole, the hole at the bottom here, we're going to save that one for last because that's where our spider is going to hang. He's going to hang down from the bottom of our plate. So you can do whichever hole you want, but save this last one for last, okay? Then I'm going to go across the way here, and I'm going to pull it out. Just going to keep on lacing. I'm going to lace it across like this. And let's go over on this side now. Lace it across like that. And if it gets a little wonky, just pull it tight. All right. Over here. Okay. And I think over here. And maybe over here. Just keep on lacing. Let's see. Over here. Ooh. It looks a little tangly, but that's okay. Right here. We got 2 more, I think. There we go. We can still see our haunted house, so that's good. See, if we were using yarn or something like that, it would be a little bit more tangly at this point, this stuff. Okay, so now we have it all laced up except for this bottom one here. We're going to save that for last, and we're going to bring it through the bottom one, just like that. And then we're going to bring it through that bottom one more time, okay? Just like that. So now we have it hanging off the bottom. So now we have our plate with a really long string at the end. If you don't want your spider hanging down really long, you can trim that up. I'll trim that up so you guys can see it a little better. And we're going to take our spider that we made, and we're going to tape him on with a little tape so that he hangs down. Just like that. There we go. Now we got our spider hanging off the end like that. And then we're going to attach our ghost to, let's see, I'm trying to do this so you can see. I'm going to take my tape and put it here, put my ghost and put him right here. I'm going to push down on the center. So now he's taped on the back. It's hard to see the tape, but it's there. So now we have our spider and our ghost hanging off the edge. Now if you want to hang him up, hang up your spider web, you can take that extra string that you took off and run it through the top here and make a little loop to hang it from, so you can hang that up. All right, well, I hope you guys are able to make your own haunted spider web lacing project, and I will see you next Monday with another fun Halloween craft. Bye for now.